You are welcome to our channel. Don't forget to like, to share, and also to subscribe. Court restrains Edo government from inaugurating new electoral commission. The National Industrial Court, sitting in Benin City, Edo State, has issued an interim order restraining the state government and other parties from proceeding with the inauguration of a newly constituted Edo State Independent Electoral Commission, pending the determination of a suit challenging the commission's dissolution. According to Vanguard, Justice Adewemimo, presiding over the matter, granted the order following an application filed by the former Edo SIEC chairman, Justice James Oyomiri, retired, and 6 other former commissioners, Mrs. Gladys Didaho, Uduafi Gabriel, Mr. Felix Ebota, Mr. Anthony Okekuyem, Mr. Michael Okaisomi, and Mr. Vincent Aimiyenota. They are represented by counsel Gabriel Uduafi. The claimants are challenging their removal by Governor Monday Okwebolo before the expiration of their 5-year tenure, which they say began on March 2022 and should end on March 23, 2027. The defendants in the suit include Governor Okwebolo, Attorney General and Commissioner of Justice Speaker of the Edo State House of Assembly, Jonathan Naefo Oboha, and the newly appointed EDSEC members. Despite a pending motion for interlocutory injunction, Naefo Oboha has issued a timetable for local government elections. The court viewed this as an act capable of rendering its eventual ruling ineffective. Justice Adewemimo ruled that the case remains valid despite the recent death of Oyomiri, as other claimants may remain active. The claimants argued their removal was unconstitutional, lacking due process and legislative approval. They are seeking over 484 million naira in unpaid salaries and allowances, plus damages and legal fees, while demanding that the newly appointed commission members be restrained from assuming office until the court decides the matter. Well, as far as this country is concerned, we love impunity, and that is very, very bad. We also love to touch, neutral government agency or institutions that are supposed to help us to channel the right course, that they are supposed to remain sacred, that irrespective of our affiliations, sentiments, beliefs, ethnicity, regional device, or political idiosyncrasies, we are not supposed to touch such institutions, which includes the likes of an electoral commission, the likes of the police, the likes of the EFCC and the ICPC, and everything that has to do with neutrality. They are not supposed to be touched at all. But I'm so surprised that, our politicians, they always want to do a winner carries all. They want to turn themselves to emperor when they get to office. Governors want to be in full control of everything in the state. There were allegations that Peter Obi refused to perform, to do a local government election for 24 months or throughout his tenure. You see, breaking of laws, allowing impunity, and also having no regard even for humanity and the rule of law is a bane in our society. Because I don't understand what the sitting governor, Senator Monday Okpuebolo, will be looking. I don't know what he's looking for. Dissolving a board that was constituted and expected to finish their job by 2027. Their tenure is expected to expire by then. If you are going to even ask the board to leave, which you don't even have any right, you may decide to lobby them and encourage them, and then come to a round table with them. You strike the deal. Maybe the deal is such that you will be able to make. Well, and then you can talk to them. They can voluntarily, summarily resign, and then allow you to bring in the set of people you want to bring in. But be it as it may, your motive behind it is also questionable. Why should you bring in your people? You are a politician. You want your party to win election, and the set of people you want to bring in as umpire are people you choose that are loyal to you. Not that the people the National Judicial Council has recommended just for you to ratify. Not people that you don't even know from Adam, neither have you seen their CV. but there are people that you want to compensate for their political contribution even into your emerging as the governor. This is not right. Our governors and our leaders should allow their conscience to work. Many of them are deadening the conscience to a point that there is nothing again that touches them. They don't even understand wrong again. Everything they do, they feel that's the right thing, and it's supposed not to be. They should soften their mind and allow sanity in our society. Yes, because of all these things they are doing, you see coming generations saying that it's not what you know, is who you know for you to make it in life and all other things. And you see people don't bother to study hard again, to work hard again, to go through the right channel, but they prefer to go through the wrong channel, and youths are going to yahoo yahoo and all sorts of things, 419 and the likes, defrauding people, innocent people from foreign land and even in local country. So the leadership in this country should try to write a new story. Let them give us a new narrative. Let it be that they are willing even to put on their thinking cap whenever they want to make decisions. They should be able to also direct us even to the right path in this country. It is unheard. How can the governor be the referee? You be adjudicating and pontificating, even in your own case. Your party will be going into that same election, and you are the one appointing the electoral commissioner that will work in the same election. Where do we get that? At least Nigerians should sit down and ask our leaders to please do the needful. I think the National Assembly too need to amend the laws and the rules that governs this creation of state bylaws and the likes, and let the State House of Assemblies to also do something about the creation of this SIEC or whatever state independent electoral commission. I think it's a good suggestion if they could leave the matter into the hands of the Nigeria Judicial Council, National Judicial Council. Let them bring in neutral people so that they give us the best of election, and then the most popular candidate wins. We don't want rigging anymore, because doing this will mean that you have already rigged the election ab initio, because you put your people in power. These are some of the things that we need to still correct in our democracy. I agree that democracy is growing, is evolving, but there are so many dark areas that we need to keep shedding light on, just to make sure that things get better, and then we get more matured and everything become more robust. Now, this set of people that you just want to remove from office now, I think you can call them. If you are going to pay their severance package, I think they will surely leave. But you just want them to go empty-handed, and it's not supposed to be. Let Governor Monday Okpebholo look into the matter again, and let there be peace in Edo State. Don't forget to like, to share, and also to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.